Hi, I'm Trentent Tye, Technical Product Marketing Manager here at ControlUp. Today, I'm excited to share with you how to use our new tool for AVD environments, DaaS IQ. DaaS IQ helps IT admins cut costs and simplify management of cloud desktop environments. With DaaS IQ, you can set power scaling policies across multiple subscriptions and host pools, examine costs at different levels of your subscription, and use metrics to scale up or down your AVD environment. With ControlUp, you can set up your AVD environment in minutes and reduce costs up to 70% with DaaS IQ. Let's dive into an example. So here we're looking at ControlUp DaaS IQ. I've got 2 subscriptions added being managed by ControlUp DaaS IQ. One of the things about DaaS IQ is that if you have the right permissions on your service principal, standing up DaaS IQ in your environment only takes a couple minutes. Once it's added, we can navigate through the different areas in order to look at costs at different levels, whether it's resource group level, individual host level, host pool level, and so on and so forth. Here, I'm going to click on host pools, and we're going to examine what we can see in the host pools. I'm going to select my Windows 11 AVD host pool here. And now here we can see in the overview pane, we've got some metadata down at the bottom showing some interesting information that's going on in our environment right now. We have some widgets up here in the middle. So here I can see my active sessions is 0. I've got no one logged into my environment today. And here in the host, we can actually see our power policies being applied, and it shows something interesting. We can see we have 0 running hosts in the morning, and then at 6 a.m., we go to 2 running hosts. And then after some period of time, at about 7:45, we switch from 2 hosts to 1. And we'll go over how that happens in just a second. Lastly, we've got average CPU and average memory. These metrics that you're seeing here are utilized within the ControlUp DaaS IQ when you specify a metric-based power scaling policy. You can see that the spike of adding the machines increased the CPU load for about 15 to 20 minutes. So that's something that needs to be considered when we define a stabilization window, how long it takes before things settle down. So we can actually see that this took some period of time to do that in this display. So let's switch to the scaling policies now. And here we can see the scaling policy I have on this host pool for the week. We can see I've got my power off aggressive, followed by slow ramp up, followed by peak hours in green. These colors can be defined when you create the profiles. And you can also label them and define them how you want. And these policies can also be used across multiple multiple host pools where you can actually use the same one. And if you make a modification on one, it'll then modify it across all of those host pools. So let's look at the slow ramp up one first. So this is what happened at 6 a.m. Very simple policy. We're choosing a static policy and just power on 2 machines. And that's exactly what we saw in the previous screen. Then at 7 o'clock, we moved over to the peak hours. And here in the peak hours, we can see we've got a static policy set for 2 session hosts, but we've got this additional feature underneath called smart minimums. And what this does is this allows us to dynamically scale down when we don't detect enough utilization on the hosts for a period of time, or on the session host for a period of time. So in this particular case, we're looking at a 10% utilization over 45 minutes. And if the session hosts are not being utilized in this regard, we're going to start scaling them down until we're at the minimum level that we specify, or this threshold being breached through utilization. And so what that allows us to do is this essentially allows us to define holiday schedules without needing to worry about going in and modifying a schedule to fit a holiday. So ControlUp will automatically take care of that for you if you forget to define a holiday or schedule, or if you just want to let ControlUp take control of it for you, you can just enable this feature on the particular policy. And once it falls in, it'll automatically do that analysis and do the scale down as required. So if we wanted to adjust this policy, how do we do that? It's super simple. We just select the policy we want, and we just color the squares that we want for that policy to apply. So here I've specified peak hours for Saturday and Sunday across the normal 8 to 5 or 9 to 5. But here, maybe I want to adjust it back. Maybe I want to set Friday a bit earlier to shut down machines because people tend to leave early. I just make those couple changes, just colorize it, hit save, and boom, I'm done. If you're used to other power management solutions, it's quite a bit more complicated to just do what I did. Super easy with ControlUp DaaS IQ, super fast, super simple, and super predictable to understand what power management settings you have in your environment. I hope you're able to see how easy it can be to manage your power scaling policies in your Azure Virtual Desktop environment. Subscribe to our channel for more updates and learn more at ControlUp.com.